Look at this. This is why I can't have nice things. Oh, look at that. Hey guys, on my way to get a truck hack. Stay tuned. This thing is here. That's what she said. This appears to not be the case. This is also a must-have. The cylinder. Oh, isn't that cool? I'm gonna give you a wide stance. Don't blow over on me. something good Another thing I forgot to mention was that tire kicker, that Chemical Guy's tire kicker, is using it in the wheel wells to get rid of all that staining from mud and dirt and stuff. I'm gonna take a chance here soon and get a good coat in there. That it helps things not stick. So you can see all those hot spots. All that rippling, that's the rotor getting hot and just not doing their job efficiently. But they're not putting off a ton of brake dust, right? So it's just an OEM issue. Just look at that. Just a really quick note to you guys that run tow mirrors. You know, pulling into garages, pulling into car washes and stuff, usually there's lots of space. But on occasion, and this is with standard mirrors, but on occasion, you know, I get comfortable and I start backing out. Now's my chance, gotta go. Gotta go, dog, eject those Cetos, cuz! You know, like, I wish when you let your foot off the brake a little bit, the vehicle didn't accelerate as quickly as it does. Because, you know, I let off driving commercially, you never ride the clutch when you're backing up. You just, you know, you get a roll on, and, you know, that's in the circumstance you're doing a big backup. In a short backup, yeah, I ride the clutch, but, you know, I let off the clutch, and that momentum, I learned to make my adjustments quickly, and I just let the propulsion of the vehicle set the tone. So I do that in my personal vehicle as well, and it goes too fast because I just about ripped my mirrors off the second time. I'm starting to have a lot of fun with YouTube now. My videos, I think I'm starting to find a bit of a harmony between a vlog and creating interesting content that, you know, while I'm doing something, I make it a fun experience. That's my ultimate goal, is just trying to hone the layout of the videos that I want to produce. You know, I've been watching YouTube 2007, 2008, something like that, when I was like 15, 16, when it first started to become a big thing. And Mighty Car Mods was like the end-all be-all of automotive how-tos, and they really refined what they would put into the video. They would film probably 5, 6, maybe 20 hours of video and then sift through it all. I cannot imagine how long that must have taken. Boosted Motorsports. I think his videos from, you know, I've been watching him for 4 or 5 years now as well. And, you know, from back then to where he is now, I think his page has grown and become very professional. His intro song, I like just listening to it on my own. I messaged him to ask him what song is that, not because I wanted to use it. I would never do that. I can't imagine how long it took him to find that, like, oh, this is the one. It's got saxophones going, it's got beats and guitar and stuff, and it's a great, the way that he's filmed his projects, and, you know, the graphics he's done in between the panes of video. I thought that was really inspiring, and that's the point I'm trying to make here. Is I've watched all kinds of automotive vlogging, automotive how-tos, and I'm trying to find my style. It's a journey. It's hard work, and it's gone from, you know, my first video ever actually produced, taking all day and all night, scrubbing something down from an hour to at that point I think it was 20 minutes, and it was way too long, and it was mostly me talking and rambling on, which isn't interesting, and I understand that. Now you know, I could take a half an hour video and it takes 3 hours. I can scrub it down to, you know, try to keep it between 10 and 15 minutes, or even shorter, and that's a real accomplishment to me. The guys that have done this for a long time, and, you know, testament to them to mastering and honing their craft. So hats off to you guys, because it was a lot of hard work, and, you know, I'm sure I have a long way to go, but it's becoming easier, it's becoming fun, and it's not becoming such a chore. I'm starting to figure it out, you know, and I'm really proud of that. And whenever, if anybody has any kind of advice to offer to improve, or things that they want to see, how do I do this? How do I do that? How can I change this to this? Let me know. Just drop it in the comments. I'll get back to you, and I'll totally do it. Like, if, you know, I'm just gonna do a brake job on my truck, I'm probably just gonna order these things in the next day or two. And because I called around to see if I could find them any cheaper, but, you know, nobody carries power stop. I watched this one video with a guy that literally ripped them apart and showed you what they look like after 50,000 miles. And I mean, it was on a Ford. It was very informative. I think they're going to be a good set of brakes, and it'll definitely be an upgrade to the truck. It'll be safer. You know, this summer I'm going to haul a boat up north, probably another 500 to 800 pounds worth of clothes and camping gear and tackle and all kinds of stuff. So, or whatever my dad can't take in his truck and on the trailer. So it's not going to hurt, and it's going up a lot of hills. It's going up in northern Ontario, so having a good set of brakes is ideal and a priority. So I will see you in the next one, guys. Thanks. Take care.